We're going to do a video, but hey, another day, another video. Quicken. Chicken legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 25, 50, 75, a pound, £1.50. Feed us all. All we're going to do is slightly skewer them. Roasting tin. Roasting tin. Helping my knife a fucking sharp. Something different. It's an experiment. I've never done this before, and I don't think I've ever seen this done before, but we'll see, yeah? Right, chicken done. Give that a quick wipe. Don't worry. This will be going in sink, getting scrubbed proper shortly. Right. Bowl. Oh, Jack Daniel's sauce. Barbecue sauce. Get it in. I told you, I could swig this right out of the bottle. Olive oil. Sea salt. This is gonna be a disaster. I fucking know it. Black pepper. Pinch of garlic salt. Right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make like a sauce to pour on my legs. Now, this is spare of the moment. This is spare of the moment job. This I was going to do. Should have got some white wine vinegar or something, or some actual white wine. But hey, fuck it. Let's throw some Heineken in it. Hey! It looks like one of those fancy espresso coffees that you see George Clooney drinking. Posh twat. Right. It looks like diarrhea, but hey, I'll bang it up chicken in a minute. Are we ready? No. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Never done it before, but I've got the oven preheated to 170, which is gas mark 3. We'll cover this in tin foil, smash it in the oven for 45 minutes, and then I'll take the tin foil off and we'll see what's transpired. Right, we've got a small problem here. Now, my tin foil, it lives in the same place. I put it in the same place every time. Don't move it. Only to bring it down, use it. It's about that long, and it's got about 30 mile of fucking foil still on it. I've gone to go and get it. Guess what I've found in its place? That's not going to cut it. But I'll kill Connor. I bet he's upstairs. I bet his bedroom's covered in fucking tin foil. Oh God! I'm only doing one take on this. Right? That's the veg. I've used tin veg. Yeah, I know. It's just as good. I've used a tin of carrots, tin of peas, tin of new potatoes to go with this chicken. Now, with that chicken and that, you're not going to believe how much this has cost me to make this today. Now, I always bang on about people starving and having got food banks. Why? I'm going to cook. This is going to feed me, Josh, Louise and Connor, and that's how much it's cost. Now, you don't need me to tell you the math on that. Right, I'm shitting myself here now. I've not looked at this first. Now, in hindsight, I'd have marinated them legs in there for a good 12 hours. But, you know, them are looking good. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bang them back in oven uncovered now for another 10 minutes. And obviously I'm going to have to pour the sauce over chicken legs, aren't I, out of the tin. But hey, I told you it was going to be a fucking disaster. Let's hope I wake up in the morning. Right, we always end up here, don't we? Right, I showed you that then. Oh, stopping there, digressing. Louise said it tasted good. It tasted different. Now, I'm going to taste mine after. But that's a good sign. A good sign. If Louise has ate it, she's a fussy fucker. Still on my Heineken. You know, I've only had 4 cans tonight. That's all I'm having. But anyway, I showed you that coins on the table there, £2.50 in sterling. Now, I've got some viewers over in America and Canada and Australia, apparently. That's what I found out. That converted to US dollars of $3.24. Canadian dollars, $4.21. And Australian dollars, $4.21. Now, I'm not going any further because it's starting to sound dear. But, you know, I think it's 76% viewers in the UK. £2.50. And that's fed 4 of us. My beers were, I bought 8 cans of fucking Heineken, that cost me a tenner. If I didn't drink and didn't smoke, I'd be a fucking millionaire. Oh, fucking hell, chain. Fucking chain nearly went then.